Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to install the lower door seal in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lower door seal. The lower door seal prevents water leaks at the bottom of the dishwasher. If at the end of the wash cycle there is a puddle on the floor right under the door, it's time to check the lower door seal and replace it if needed. Open the door. Take out the 8 Phillips screws that holds the inner and outer doors together, and then separate them. Latch the inner door and open the outer door. Put some weight on the outer door so it would stay down. Turn over the inner door. Memorize the way the lower door seal is installed and try to slide it off the door. If it won't cooperate, just pull it off. Then clean the edge from calcium deposits and debris. This is the old lower door seal next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. The seal goes on the door this way. The rounded portion goes on the inside. Slide the new seal on the edge. Turn the inner door over, place it at the bottom of the outer door and lock it. Take out the weight. Position the air diverter on the outer door and install the inner door in place, matching the holes. Secure the doors together with the 8 Phillips screws. And then close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.